Greetings from this side of the world and welcome. My name is John, and the first series of videos will be a basic introduction to the world of Java. It does not matter whether you are a beginner or just looking to refresh your knowledge. These tutorials are for you. So, we will create a simple Hello World program. We will then proceed to break it down so that you understand how it works. Basically, the syntax of the Java programming language is what we're going to be focusing on today. So, without much further ado, let us begin. The very first thing that we have in Java is a class. So, classes act as the building block for the overall application in Java. A class, we can describe it as a blueprint or a prototype or a template from which objects can be created. Classes can also have attributes and methods which define what the class is about and what it does. Class, in this case, is a keyword, a very important keyword which we cannot forego. Hello World is the name of our class. Now, syntax-wise, immediately following the class name, we are supposed to have a pair of curly braces, an opening and a closing curly brace. In between those curly braces is where we're supposed to add the code which should be in our class. Number 2, we will have main method here. Just give me a moment. Static void main. There. And main is supposed to be complete with this string of arguments there. So the name main is derived from this word right here. Every Java program which you wish to execute must have main method. With this, when the Java compiler starts executing your code, it starts from the main method. Now, what we are looking at currently is the signature of main. So signature starts from here, public, we have static, we have void, main being the name of the method. Immediately following the name of the method, we have a pair of normal brackets, parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have what we call an argument. Then, since main or since methods also form a block in Java, we have an opening and a closing curly brace. Now, since today's video is meant to be short and simple, we're going to forego the 3 words here, public, static, void, together with the argument, the string, square brackets, and args or arguments for a later video. There is a detailed explanation that goes into that. So right now, just remember that we have main being the starting point of execution of our Java program. Next, we're going to have the system out print line there. So we can use the system.out.println, print ln in full is print line, to print information to the console. The statement takes an argument in the parentheses, and our argument is going to be simple, hello world. When you look at hello world, you'll notice that the text is surrounded by double quotation mark or double quotation marks, and it's a pair. We have an opening and a closing double quotation mark on the other side. This tells the compiler that the argument is actually a string. So a string is just a combination of characters. It's normally described as a string of characters which are joined together to form either a word or a sentence. That's just what a string is. We are done with the Hello World program. What comes next is we will have to save our file. So, as a general rule, this is what Java dictates. The class name and the file name have to be the same. Since our class is called Hello World, I'll just copy that name. I'll come here and go to save. I'm saving my work inside this folder called Hello World. So the file name is going to be hello world, same name with a .java extension. Class name and file name have to be the same. Then I'll just click on save. Immediately you will notice that Sublime, because that is the IDE or the editor that I am using, is going to change the color codes of the different keywords that we have in there. What comes next? We are done with step 4 writing 5, where we talk about what we do with our code or our program immediately after we are through writing the code. In step 4 and step 5, we're going to go to the terminal and we're going to talk about compiling and executing a Java program. Compiling comes first. So a compiler is an application which translates a program written in the high-level Java language to machine language. Our file, the one which we have just created, has a .java extension right here. When we talk about compiling, we're going to be translating basically from Java to machine language. The command on the terminal is javac. So in javac, we are invoking the Java compiler and we are asking it to compile a file called helloworld.java. Now, when we are done with this step, when we execute, there is a file that is going to be produced. Now, assuming there is no errors, there is a file that is going to be produced that has a .class extension. This file is the one that contains the bytecode. From there, we're going to execute this file. When we issue the next command, it's simple. It's simply Java and then hello world. This command is going to be invoking JVM. JVM is going to be executing the instructions that we have asked for it to execute, which is quite simple right now because we are only asking for the hello world message to be displayed on the terminal window. When we execute, that is exactly what we get. So thank you for watching. Thank you for following along. And there is more to come in this playlist. There are a few other videos that we are going to have. The next one, we discuss variables. From there, we discuss decision making. From there, we discuss iteration. From there, we discuss arrays. From there, we discuss methods. And then we're going to be through with the series. Please don't forget to like the video, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.